Hi there, today we got A71 4G. It came for an LCD and the speaker was missing in there. So first of all we remove the back cover, open all the screws, then you can open it from there or anywhere where your finger goes in there, or you can use the plastic tool. Once it is open, it will come out easily. The speaker was missing in there, so we're going to, and unfortunately the steel plate that which holds, that is also missing there. So there is a screw here that you remove to release the board, and once you release the board you will see that there was no speaker here in the old LCD also. So what we're going to do is that we're going to solder it directly with the speaker points. I got the speaker with me, that's the original one, customer had it, and that's a new one that I bought in case. So we're going to bridge it here directly, and then we're going to put it here and adjust it with some stuff that it should not shake inside. We'll put a little bit of glue or something. So first of all we'll put the solder to the points here. Not that much, just a little bit, so it can hold the wire that we want to put. Once the solder is there, now we're going to join the wire quickly. Once you have put the solder, take the jumper wire or non-conductive wire and put to the both points, solder it. If that ring is going away, it's not a problem. Or ring, I'm saying that small. If the silver point that is touching the speaker is removing, don't worry, just put some solder there to make it a little bit big, so if even somebody else is opening, they know where the points are. And if tomorrow we get that thing which holds the speaker proper, we can put it back. So once you connect these wires, you can cut them very small to you according to your fitting of the speaker. So you can see the both points are connected. Now we're going to cut them from here so we can attach the speaker with it. Okay, now there is one negative and one positive. You can check it with the meter also. Unfortunately I did not have meter with me, otherwise I was going to show you how to check the speaker points with the meter. One is ground, one is, so you can just put it like this, and then you can see it that okay which wire goes where. So you can check the fitting if you do not have meter, as I did not have the meter also. So we're going to solder these points, put a solder there and solder these points quickly. So hold one wire, just put the solders to the tip of the wires also, so it can stick properly. Hold the wire with tweezer. Both wires are connected. Now we're going to do the adjustment in the plate. So when we put the screw here and put this metal cover, it should not be a problem. And then we're going to put silicone glue around so it can hold the speaker. So that adjustment you have to see it yourself. We will put the front camera also. I'm not gonna make the video of the adjustment, so it's gonna take long, to adjust it proper. Okay, once you figure out that okay it's adjusted here, then just put a little bit of glue if in case you do not have that cushion. Normally that is there. I tried to look for it, I couldn't find it. So then you can put speaker nicely and adjust it. Adjust in a way that when you're closing the back cover, remember it shouldn't lift up. So we'll put one screw here. Now we will put 2 screws of this fingerprint sensor, and thereafter we'll put the middle cover and close the phone. I can't test it because it has a password and customer did not give me the password, so hopefully he or she will check them. Just check the battery is connected, everything is connected. Just be careful about these wires, it shouldn't cover the camera if you are using longer wires. If you are using shorter one, then shouldn't be a problem. So this is how we change speaker in case of any phone that we cannot find the right fitting. This is how we can adjust the speaker with the wires. Hopefully it will help you to fix the phone. Any type of phone which has speaker problem, please subscribe my channel and give me watch time. I need watch time, please guys, please help me. I really need your help. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. Now you can put all the screws back, glue and close it proper. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you.